Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster. Wanted to create this effect from the photo. And that's just giving you a little bit of a hint of exactly how to do it. So basically what we want to do is start with grabbing the part of the photo that we want, which is similar to just this part here. So I'm going to go and grab this box here and start right above the head here and come down to about here. This is the only part we really want to affect, because that's all that's showing here. I'm going to right click and hit copy. So basically on the upper right, it made a new layer of just that portion. I can turn off the background. And so now what we want to do is make sure that we have chosen that layer. And all we have to do is come down here to filters. I'm going to hit filter. And it starts up here with artistic, but there's a bunch of other choices. You can try them all and see what effects it gives you. But I'm going to change that from artistic, come down here to sketch. Each one of these has several subheadings under each one. I'm going to do this graphic N. As soon as I click it, watch what happens to the photo. It opens up a new window and the photo starts to look similar to it. And then you have these choices up here of presets. The closest one to that photo, I think, is something like this one, Twisted Plot. As soon as I click it, watch what happens over here. It starts to look very, very similar to that. Now you can change the different parameters: darkness, clean look, contrast, and thickness. I'm just going to work with the top one. You can play around with all of them. Watch what happens. I can lessen the effect or make it more pronounced like this. Obviously that's too much, so I'm going to bring it back down. Try to copy sort of what's over there, which is somewhere right around there. I'm going to hit OK, and it'll bring us right back to where we started here. I can zoom in a little bit and compare the two. It's pretty darn close between the two. And that's pretty much how you get a similar effect to this one. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.